Hey friends, I wanted to personally invite you to join my free training happening this Thursday, September 28th at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And it's called Crafting Your Dream Lifestyle. The heart behind this workshop is not that you're creating a perfect life. Life is messy. I get it. I've got three kids, a business, a husband, a dog who chews everything. Life is messy. And you can still have your ideal lifestyle and a messy life, because an ideal lifestyle isn't about everything going perfectly. It isn't about checking everything off your to-do list. Your ideal lifestyle is about understanding what matters most to you and making sure that you spend time on what matters most to you every single week. And if you feel like you're not doing that, you feel overwhelmed, you feel stuck, you feel like you have an idea of the person you want to be, the business you want to create, the life you want to live, but you're not actually taking steps towards it, this workshop is going to help you in three main areas. Number one, it's going to help you learn some simple time management skills that will help you get more of what you actually want to get done every single week. The second thing you're going to learn is some different ways to think about money. Money is not something that we are working for. Money is there to work for us. So we're going to talk about a little way that you can change the way you're thinking about money. And then the third thing is we're going to talk about how to understand what your values are. And values are just the things that actually matter to you, so that no matter how complicated or messy or how far away you feel from your dreams, that you will leave this workshop feeling like you have a clearer path forward. So I would love for you to come. You can click the link below this video to join. And if you heard some crazy kids yelling in the background, welcome to my messy life.